Hello everyone, welcome back to day 8 of my 30-day English speaking series. Today's video is extremely important because many learners don't struggle with understanding English, they struggle with responding quickly. You understand what the other person is saying, but when it is your turn to speak, your mind pauses, freezes, or overthinks. If this sounds familiar, this video is for you. Today I will explain about how to think and respond faster in English naturally and confidently. The real reason behind slow responses. The problem is not memory. The real problem is translation dependency. Most learners follow this process. Hear English, translate it into their native language, form an answer, translate it back into English. This mental loop consumes time and energy. Fluency improves when English becomes a direct processing language in your brain. Step 1. Train your brain with micro thoughts. You don't need big sentences to think fast. Start with micro thoughts. I agree, that makes sense. I need time. These small units create speed. When your brain learns to think in English, automatically responses become spontaneous. Remember, fast thinking begins with small thinking. Step 2. Contextual self-talk. Self-talk is powerful only if it is contextual. Don't just speak randomly. Connect English to real actions. I'm preparing my presentation. I feel nervous but confident. This builds situational fluency, the ability to respond quickly in real life situations. Step 3. Use response patterns. In real conversations, questions repeat. For example, how are you? What do you do? What are your plans? Prepare response patterns, not memorized lines. This reduces thinking time and increases confidence. When your brain knows the structure, words come faster. Step 4. Allow natural pauses. Speaking fast is not the same as speaking fluently. Fluent speakers pause naturally. Instead of panicking in silence, use thinking phrases. Let me think for a moment. That's an interesting question. Pauses help you organize thoughts without losing control. Fluency is not about being fast, it's about being comfortable. You don't need perfect answers, you need continuous practice. The more you speak, the faster your mind adapts. This was day 8 of my 30-day English speaking series. If you practiced today, comment day 8 done. Tomorrow in day 9, we'll talk about how to speak English without overthinking grammar. See you tomorrow. Keep speaking, keep improving. Thank you for watching.